This week's Phanomaniac of the Week is from Atlanta, Georgia. His passion for Georgia Southern football started during his senior year in high school. He caught the tailwind of the Eagle Spirit from miles away as Adrian Peterson broke tackle after tackle after tackle. Prior to his freshman year in 2001, he attended Camp Eagle, a camp for young leaders. He then shared his newfound leadership abilities as a residential assistant. Shortly after, two great dormitories were demolished, Dorman Hall and Stratford Hall. And of course, being a Georgia Southern Phanomaniac, there was only one thing to do during a time like this: collect commemorative bricks. But what really matters to this Phanomaniac is the fall Saturdays in Statesboro. Can you guess who?
What you know about them Eagles? Hi, I'm John Evans, and I'm this week's Phanomaniac of the Week. Upgrade your fan status today at Phanomaniacs.com. And don't forget to purchase your Georgia Southern Phanomaniac merchandise today.